Look at your wedding ring or the tiny circuit board inside your phone right now. You're holding something that technically shouldn't exist on Earth. Not rare, not expensive. I mean literally, it wasn't made here. Think about it. Almost everything around you comes from Earth. Wood, plastic, steel. We grow it, build it, or dig it up. So it feels obvious that gold is just another metal we mine. But here's the uncomfortable truth. You can't actually create gold. Not in a lab, not in a factory, not even at the center of the Earth. So if we didn't make it, and Earth didn't make it, then where did it come from? To answer that, we have to zoom out, way out, past Earth, past the solar system, because gold's story doesn't start here. It starts with a problem, an atomic problem. Every element has an identity. Gold's identity, 79 protons packed inside one atom. Now imagine building that. In the early universe, there was basically nothing, just hydrogen with 1 proton, helium with 2. That's it. So to reach gold, you have to stack your way from 1 all the way to 79. And here's the catch. That kind of build needs insane energy. Not fire, not lava, not even nuclear explosions on Earth. Something far more extreme. So scientists looked at stars. Makes sense, right? Stars are giant fusion machines. Even our sun is constantly smashing atoms together. But here's where everything breaks. Stars have a limit. They can only build elements up to iron. After that, the process stops. It's like a factory that suddenly shuts down right before finishing the final product. Even the sun, the thing that lights up our entire planet, is actually too weak to make gold. So now the question becomes, if stars can't do it, what can? Here's where things get interesting. When massive stars die, some of them collapse into neutron stars. These are not normal objects. A single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons. Now imagine 2 of these spinning around each other faster and faster, and then they collide. In that one moment, the universe basically breaks its own rules. Temperatures explode into billions of degrees, pressure becomes unimaginable, and atoms start absorbing neutrons at insane speeds, faster than anything we can recreate. This is called the rapid neutron capture process, and this is where gold is born. A single collision, called a kilonova, can create more gold than entire planets. Let that sink in. Everything you've ever seen made of gold could come from just a few of these events. But wait, if gold is made out there, in deep space, how did it end up here, in your hand? When Earth first formed, it was a molten ball. Everything heavy, like gold, sank straight to the core. In fact, there's enough gold down there to cover the entire planet, but we can't reach it. So the gold we actually use today, it came later. Around 4 billion years ago, Earth got bombarded by asteroids. But these weren't just random rocks. They were carrying gold, created in those neutron star collisions. When they crashed into Earth, they left that gold in the crust where we can mine it. So every ring, every chain, every tiny bit inside your phone is literally space material. And here's the part that hits different. That gold you're looking at right now, it's older than Earth, older than the sun. It was created in the death of stars, survived a cosmic explosion, traveled across space, and somehow ended up in your life. So yeah, next time someone says, "Wow, that looks beautiful," just remember, you're not just looking at gold. You're looking at something that survived the death of stars and still found its way to you.